Hello students, welcome to our channel Brain Alive. In this video, we will study Wien-Bridge oscillator. Wien-Bridge oscillator is also RC oscillator. It is an audio frequency oscillator. This oscillator employs two stages of RC coupled amplifier and a feedback network. The feedback network is a Wien-Bridge. This is the block diagram of Wien-Bridge oscillator. First stage and second stage. Every stage of these amplifier provide 180-degree phase shift. So the total net phase shift of the amplifier is 360-degree. As we know, for oscillation there must be 360-degree phase shift for positive feedback. So these two stages provide 360-degree or 0-degree phase shift. So now the question arises, what is the need of this feedback network? The answer to this question is, the first stage of the amplifiers amplify signals of wide range of frequency. So direct coupling would result in poor frequency stability. So this feedback network is essential. This feedback network works like a notch filter. This feedback network makes the oscillator sensitive to only one signal frequency. Now, what is the essential condition of this feedback network? As we know, both the stages provide a total phase shift of 360-degree. So it is essential that this feedback network should not provide any phase shift. Now to achieve this, frequency of the oscillator must be 1/2 pi RC when the beta of the transistor is 1/3. This is done by two resistors R1 and R2 in the feedback network. Now this becomes the Wien-Bridge in the feedback circuit. Now this is the total complete circuit of this Wien-Bridge oscillator. What is the advantage of this Wien-Bridge oscillator? In Wien-Bridge oscillator, we can change the frequency, we can vary the frequency by varying simultaneously these two capacitors, and we can also change the range of the frequency by changing the values of these R. In general, RC oscillators does not provide any change in frequency. The frequency is fixed, but this is the advantage of this Wien-Bridge oscillator, that this oscillator provides these two facilities, that we can also vary the frequency and we can also change the range of the frequency. This is the complete circuit of Wien-Bridge oscillator. This is the Wien-Bridge feedback network. This is amplifier first and this is amplifier second. R3 is the biasing resistor for amplifier 1 and R4 is the resistor connected in collector to control the collector voltage, and C1 is the coupling capacitor which couples the output of the first stage to the input of the second stage. And this is the circuit of the amplifier second. R5 and R6 is the biasing resistor. R7 is the resistor which stabilizes the operating point. Now we will analyze the circuit to find the frequency of oscillation. At balance condition, the ratio of these two branches R1/R2 is equal to the ratio of these two branches, means impedance of this branch to the impedance of this branch. Here at balance condition, R1/R2 equals to R minus jXC upon parallel combination of R and C. This is the parallel combination of R and C. Here XC is the reactance of the capacitor, which is equals to 1/omega C. Now we will solve these two equations. Here R1/R2 equals to R minus jXC का whole square upon R minus jXC. This is equals to, after implementing the R minus A minus B का whole square, we will get the equation R square minus XC square minus 2RJXC upon R minus JXC. After solving these equations, we will get the final equation, this one. Here this and this are the real parts and this are the imaginary parts of the equation. We will equate the real parts of this equation and to get the frequency of oscillation. Here R2 R square minus R2 XC square equals to 0. After solving, we will get Xc equals to R. After putting the value of Xc, 1 upon omega c equals to R, omega equals to 1 upon Rc. We will put the value of omega. Omega is equals to 2 pi f equals to 1 upon Rc, and f equals to 1 upon 2 pi Rc. This is the frequency of oscillation. Hope you understand the Wien bridge oscillator. If you like the video, then click the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching the video.